Hey, Stock Up family, this is Larry Jones. I wasn't going to make a video until after the election, and I've been telling you guys to wait until after the election to do any investing. But I try to be real with you guys. I can't tell you every stock I'm in because sometimes I do quick plays, and I've been telling you guys that now's not the time to do quick plays, but I have to tell you about this stock. It is called DGLY, ticker symbol DGLY. And I bought some this morning and it is up 35% as of right now. It is the body cams that the police department wear. And I'm just going to tell you guys right now, I got it now. I'm going to pop it tomorrow. Come what may. It doesn't matter. I'm going to pop it tomorrow. I'm not glad about these stocks. I would rather there not be civil unrest, and I would rather there be peace and make less money because there's other places to make money. So you guys be safe out there, right? But unfortunately, in times like this, because of this contentious race, you guys need to do your own research. You need to start looking at body cam manufacturers, unfortunately, ammunition, guns. I've gotten point blank, the firing range. I've gotten emails from them. They can't hire enough people. Unfortunately, fear there's big money in fear. There's big business in fear, and fear will cause people to go and make all kind of purchases. So this company right here, DGLY is the ticker, DGLY. It's running like a racehorse. And yeah, I bought some, and because I'm watching the market, I can't be watching the market and doing these videos. So, and I can't let you guys know everyone. I'll do a Discord down the road. But I just want you guys, and those of you that's seeing this for the first time, if you're not subscribed, I'll give you these every now and then. You want to be subscribed to the page. Like this if you're thinking about getting it. But I'm telling you right now, I'm buying it now, today, the day before election, and I'm popping it. You don't want to get these. Sometimes these hype stock will run up and they'll run back down, right? Or it could continue to run. The risk is yours. Remember, I'm just sharing with you what I'm doing. I'm not your financial advisor. You have to do your own research. But because there's civil unrest, we have to look at body cam. So do your own research. Gun ammunition, bullets, guns, that type of deal. Think of anything that is going to go up because of fear, right? And this is one of the plays that I'm doing today. Remember, we here at Stock Up, we don't get into politics. We don't get into hate. We just get into making money, right? So I want you guys to be safe out there. We love you guys. And I just pray that they don't tear this country up after this stupid election. I did vote early, but I want you guys to be safe. But there is money to be made. This is one of them. I'm trying to get this out ASAP, right? See you guys later. Love you. Be safe.